Congratulations, gang, and welcome back to another home vlog. I'm just going to wing it, and I hope you guys stick around. Please don't mind my hair. I just did a little something just to take a break from filming it. So I hope you guys like the video, comment, share, and subscribe. Let us clean the bubble. Hey guys, today is Saturday, it's another day, May 17th, 2025. You guys saw me clean the bathroom on a Thursday evening. I know you're wondering what's up with all of these clothes. Well, today I am going to be sorting out dirty laundry, clothes that need to be packed away because it is now winter in Zimbabwe. So I'm not going to be wearing a lot of my summer clothes, my dresses, and I am going to be starting with the dirty laundry.
Eugene.
It's another day! Hi guys, I managed to finish packing up all of my clothes. I apologize for not showing you the rest. I needed to save my battery. My phone is my camera for content creation. And unfortunately where I stay, we are having serious, I'm talking major power cuts. But today we are doing something else. You are going to see me make a healthy, nutritious potato salad. My potatoes are already boiled. It's now just a matter of adding a few things. And we are going to do it together. Here we are, seated on the couch, where it's easier for us to get our things done. And that way we can watch some TV or listen to music relaxed. So, I'm gonna start with peeling my nuts. I already have a few in this cup, so we're gonna do that briefly as we go. We're done peeling the nuts, specifically peanuts. Now, I am going to chop some of my apple, which I'm putting over here. And then I'm going to slice some of my grapes. I know my recipe is a little weird, but this is what I like to eat, guys. This is my life. So I'm just going to cut my apple depending on how much I want. I'm just going to throw that in the pot. In fact, let's just put a pause on this for a minute. Make sure when you're cooking, I know you know this, make sure you wash your hands every interval of whatever it is that you're doing. So, here are my nuts in here. I'm just going to throw them all in there. Alright. And then close my pot. For now, oh gosh. And then, I'm gonna start chopping my apple. chopped half an apple, a small red apple. Now I'm moving on to a couple of grapes. So, okay. I will see if I want to add some more apple, but for now, let us work with half an apple. And I'm also gonna see how many grapes I'm going to use. I think for now I'm gonna put 7, which is a random number, but let's work with that for now. And I'm just putting my grapes in the same cup. Then I put my nuts and my half apple. Next up, we are gonna get the potatoes. As I mentioned, my potatoes, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got my potatoes and my nuts, peanuts to be precise. Now I'm just putting my apple and my grapes in there. And then I'm taking my tablespoon and I'm just going to mix that all together. I would have liked to put bits and pieces of some boiled chicken, but that's gonna take forever for me to defrost and then boil the chicken, yada yada. So, and I also would have liked to put some red tomato. Oh, the croissant banana mayonnaise I was looking for was actually on the right. Now, we put 1 tablespoon of croissant banana mayonnaise in there. Oh, I got some on my finger. That should do it for now. I'm gonna mix it up. Mix. I wish I had carrots, but we don't have carrots in the house. So we're gonna have to work with what we have. Last thing I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit of, what flavor is this? I can't read this. If anybody, almost dropped my pot. Anyways, if anyone can tell what flavor of Royco Usagi mix this is, please comment down below, or otherwise I'll have to get somebody cited to tell me what flavor this is. But I'm sure it's something that I will like. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit. And then mix well and then taste it. And that's a wrap, guys.